Guitars are beautiful. Even if they're not expensive, we love them. But they can all be damaged by the very same thing: dry air, especially when it's worn. You see, wood behaves like a sponge when it dries out. Guitars are made with wood and glue and metal parts. If the air gets too dry, the guitar body or connected parts can warp and crack. Ask me how I know. My very first guitar, an Aldegas. Even if we live in a dry place, we can stop this from ever happening by storing our guitars in a proper case or a bag with a guitar humidifier. It's crucial that guitar humidifiers never drip water, as this will certainly damage the guitar. We bought this one years ago and it works well, but we have quite a few guitars. Instead of buying, I realized I could make an effective and drip-free humidifier out of used deodorant containers. Now, of course, they need to be washed out with soap and cleaned thoroughly. First, eject the old thumb wheel with a flathead screwdriver and cut off the threads like this. Then wash that container out with soap and water as mentioned before, and reinsert the thumb wheel back where it came out. At this point, we have a drip-proof container. Remember that sponge? First, wet the sponge to expand it and squeeze it out so it can be cut to size with scissors. Then, cut an arc into both ends of the sponge. This step ensures there will be no internal contact with the end of the container near the center. Now for this step, I've done this both ways. In one, I've left the thumb wheel out to allow for airflow, and on the other, I simply poked holes in the cap for ventilation. For both examples, we've never had water drips or damage, and I've been doing this for many years. The final step, take the sponge, soak it, squeeze it out thoroughly again so it can never drip, and pop it back into the container. Completely wipe off that container, and then to protect the guitar from hard contact, drop it into a soft bag or sock or whatever. Place this somewhere with the case and close things up. It's important to consider that this humidifier can be anywhere within the case. It does not need to be anywhere near the hole, as the airspace inside the case is confined, and even if you place the humidifier beside the guitar neck, humidity will travel through the case to all parts of the guitar where it's very much needed. Is it safe? As long as the sponge is squeezed out properly and the container is wiped off and capped, there should never be drip issues. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.